Establishing a relationship with a loved one and taking it to a more serious level is the dream of almost all couples. Unfortunately, sometimes this desire does not always match expectations. There are times when a relationship is tested because love is not approved by the parents. In fact, the feeling of love and comfort in your partner is increasing day by day. Approximately, what to do when the relationship is not approved. Things that can be done when the relationship is not approved. Being in a relationship is not just between you and your partner. There are parents who also need to consider their voice, especially if you are planning to get married. Well, sometimes the person you think is the best is the opposite by your parents. When love is not approved by your parents, calm down first. Then, you can do a number of things when the relationship is not approved. Among them are: 1. Ask the exact reason. There must be a special reason why your parents do not approve of your relationship with your partner. Instead of taking offense at arguing, it's a good idea to ask why. Ask carefully what things make parents dislike the partner of your choice. Is it because of ethnicity, race, occupation, attitude, or other things? 2. Talk with a cool head. Once you know the exact reason, try to talk about it with a cool head. Invite your parents to have a heart-to-heart talk about this specific issue. Here, you can openly express how you feel about your partner. Also tell your parents about the things that you think are a plus for your partner. 3. Don't take sides. When relationships are not sanctioned, it's good to be impartial. Even though it feels like you want to completely defend your partner, what you are actually looking for is not about winning or losing. However, it's more about how you can come together to find a solution that benefits both parties. 4. Don't keep your relationship a secret. When you find out that the relationship is not approved, don't avoid it by dating secretly. Don't let you tell your family that you are no longer in touch with them just for fear of being asked to break up. Precisely what you need to do is involve your partner in various family events. Apart from aiming to get closer, this is also done so that your parents can directly assess the attitudes and traits of your partner. 5. Don't close your eyes. When parents judge that the person is not good for you by showing all the evidence, then do not close your eyes. That is, do not let you be blinded by a feeling of love that is so great and ignore the various clear signs that he is not the best partner. In fact, in this case you need to listen to parents' suggestions so that you don't take a wrong step. Believe that parents want the best for their children, including the matter of life partners. So when your parents claim exclusion for obvious reasons that you also feel, then don't deny it. Who knows, unapproved love by your parents is one of the signs that your current relationship with your partner is not worth fighting for in the next round. That's our tips, hope you can be helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe.